How to fix internet connection. Here are some troubleshooting steps you can try if you are having trouble connecting to the internet. Check your internet connection. Make sure that your modem and router are turned on and that they are properly connected to each other and to the internet. You can also try restarting your modem and router. Check your cables. Make sure that all of the cables connecting your modem, router, and computer are properly connected. If you are using a wireless connection, make sure that your computer is within range of your router. Check your settings. Make sure that the settings on your modem, router, and computer are correct. For example, make sure that the IP address and DNS settings are correct. Try a different network. If you can, try connecting to a different network, such as a friend's or a public Wi-Fi network. This will help you to determine if the problem is with your network or with your computer. Update your drivers. Make sure that the drivers for your network adapter are up to date. You can download the latest drivers from the website of the manufacturer of your network adapter. Run a virus scan. A virus or malware infection can sometimes cause problems with your internet connection. Run a virus scan with your antivirus software to see if there is a problem. Contact your internet service provider. If you have tried all of the above steps and you are still having trouble connecting to the internet, contact your internet service provider for help. How to fix no internet connection. Repeat the above mentioned tips. And here are some additional tips that may help you fix your internet connection. Make sure that your computer's firewall is not blocking your internet connection. Try disabling any proxy settings that you may have enabled. Try resetting your modem and router to factory defaults. Try updating your modem and router firmware. If you are using a wireless connection, try moving your computer closer to your router. Try using a different wireless channel. Try changing the name and password of your wireless network. If you are still having trouble connecting to the internet, you may need to replace your modem or router. 2. How to fix unstable internet connection. Here are some additional tips that may help you fix your unstable internet connection. Move your router to a more central location in your home. This will help to improve the signal strength and reliability of your wireless connection. Get a Wi-Fi extender or mesh network. If you have a large home or if there are a lot of walls or other obstacles between your router and your computer, a Wi-Fi extender or mesh network can help to improve the signal strength and reliability of your wireless connection. Change the channel of your wireless network. There are a limited number of channels available for wireless networks, and if your neighbors are using the same channel, it can cause interference and make your internet connection unstable. You can use a Wi-Fi scanner to see which channels are in use and choose a channel that is not being used by your neighbors. Change the name and password of your wireless network. If your wireless network is using a default name and password, it is more likely to be targeted by hackers. Changing the name and password of your wireless network can help to improve your security and make it less likely that your internet connection will be interrupted by hackers. Upgrade your modem or router. If your modem or router is old or outdated, it may not be able to keep up with the demands of modern internet usage. Upgrading your modem or router can help to improve the speed and reliability of your internet connection. If you have tried all of the above steps and you are still having trouble with your unstable internet connection, you may need to contact your internet service provider for further assistance.